Deb Fegan and Rainer Waldman Atkins' wedding present, which was inscribed to Rainer and Deb, Mazel Tov, 12th June 1983. Ken, congrats on 5 years. Ken again. Interestingly enough, in the time-space continuum, the drawing itself was done on August 3rd, 1984. It depicts the Rutusz town hall of Nowy Sach, Poland, where the art group went. We must have spent at least a day, maybe two, in Nowy Sach, because I remember we had an exhibit at the International Press Club in Nowy Sach. We also visited Zakopane, Stara Sach, a small town, and we stayed some days in the town of Rutusz, also southern Poland, near the Czech border. I'm just reframing this for Rainer and Deb. Mounted it on mat board and made an artified frame with gold ink, including two choice chicken depictions, with requisite exclamations, of course. It's kind of like, may their life be filled with plump, tasty, friendly chickens. What else can I say? The drawing was the only drawing I did in Nowy Sach. I did landscape drawings in Rutusz and 10 architectural drawings in Krakow. This was done with India ink in contour line drawing style. It's nice to see it again, especially out and about without plex over it, no reflections. There you have it, 1984, my first trip to Poland.